grills here. I think it's one. Hi. So she won the storage container. She got the storage container. You were acting like you were the storage container.
Cigarette.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. It's empty, yeah?
No, yes, no. Yeah, yes.
I don't want to lose all day.
Do you need her? Oh, so she came too. You don't need a ride. Okay. I was gonna say they can give you a ride. They'll be here in like 6 minutes.
Yeah, okay.
And
but I just have no time to wash it a little bit. But it's full tank, everything okay with it, but...
And they'll make it full tank back. Tell them.
But no regular fuel, please. I'm gonna tell them.
Everything you need to tell them, tell them. I told Katrina, whatever, and her dad's got insurance. You got insurance. I don't know how all that works.
Yeah.
Talk to him. You guys are good, and he's safe. His car, it's older, but it's in good shape. It's not all bashed up or nothing.
Okay. So I bring you something. We need to test it.
On what?
The
pulley?
Jumper.
Oh yeah.
Jumper.
Do you have a plug-in for it? You see his car? It's nice.
It's nice.
Eh.
What if?
It's. I'm not a fan.
Yeah.
Beamers are just way rarer here, so they cost a lot more money. I would rather have a Mercedes, but that's me. I think it's a cool car, especially in a manual.
Thank you.
That was a big one this time.
Where was it? It fell out right here?
No, it was in the car.
Oh, in the car.
It was found with the seat.
Oh, on the sides?
Yeah.
I need to get a little money pouch. I need to get a fucking purse.
It's new carpet.
Looks it, huh?
Yeah. Very good.
Nice car.
Yeah. Anyway, it's very rare. A lot of cracks, but it's easy to fix. Need to find some guys who can fix it.
Hey, does he want to do the seats here?
Yeah. Sometimes I run away and throw up just so you guys know.
You sick?
I just started feeling weird when I got up and gave you that money.
Have you ate?
No.
Need to eat.
Yeah.
I go into McDonald's now because we don't take the breakfast. If you want, you can go with us.
No.
No?
You go now and come back and talk to them, or what?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And I'll look at that and try it.
I bring you a lot of tools too. Maybe do you need it?
I see the come along.
Maybe we need it too. I don't know. It's for free anyway.
Come along's nice.
Huh?
Well, definitely you got enough tools to pay for your $10.
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
I don't know what the fuck is this. And that too.
Oh, okay. Oh.
What is this? What do you think? Got it.
So somewhere in here, there's a special knife. What is that? Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Knife with something. I don't know. It's light or...
That's cool, huh?
Yeah. Maybe gonna know what is this.
It's cool.
Razor blades. We need it probably too.
Oh, that's that. Yeah, that's cool. Does it have a plug-in?
New wires.
Where's the plug-in?
Probably must be on it.
There you go. Hey, if they have a, if we have one of these in the back, we can try and use his jump box. I think one of my other boxes might have that.
It's actually funny.
Oh, you found one? Who knows how many volt it is?
I don't know if this is gonna work.
You might like this.
But that's for a cigarette lighter.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh, that is. Gotcha. But is it the right thing? If so, it might charge it. This is a nice one though, dude.
Yeah.
Look at that brass fitting.
Oh, all right. All right.
Yeah, we couldn't be that lucky.
No.
I've got a multi one that has like 6 heads.
Yeah.
But it has a shape like this. Maybe we can put it here somewhere.
I think that's power out.
No, that might be for charging as well.
You think so?
Yeah. Might be for charging as well.
Do you have any kind of papers you sign with them or anything, or no?
Hello guys, good morning.
Did you meet her dad?
My name is Kirill. Nice to meet you.
Nathan. Nice to meet you.
Buick.
Okay, yeah. So I want to know how much I pay every
28.
28, yeah. So how much I pay now?
You will pay after,
Okay.
when you finish. Not
28 for him and 28 for me. 28 for her. 84 with a deal.
So it's full tank, but please use the.
He wants premium in it. He wants premium
because
fuel.
It has turbo engine. It's
premium, huh?
premium. But it's not hungry about the fuel. It's not eaten practically. It's not.
What does he get, about 25? 22?
28.
28?
30. Yeah. It's
Wow. I'm gonna, while they go return things right now, I'm gonna drive it next door and make a video for you and stuff,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I'll do a video
Yeah,
where we
yeah.
have it.
So it's full tank. You can use it, but please return with the full tank too.
Okay.
Return with a full.
Yeah.
Of premium,
Premium.
the best.
Yeah.
The highest, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi. So I go
What's that?
to eat something.
Till when? Wednesday? Thursday? When are you thinking?
As soon as we arrange the car, my wife told the bitter, not the.
Let's look at a couple things while he's here before you go or whatever.
Yeah.
Well, you're coming back here anyway, so we can do it
Yes.
after.
Oh no, let's just do it now.
Okay. Okay, cool.
So it's
Sounds good.
rented out from the 24th December.
Oh, it's when you've got somebody?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They're gonna get the Lexus or the Explorer, one of these.
It's not a-
Okay. Cool.
So see
Have
you guys.
fun. Stay out of
See you
trouble.
later.
Thank you.
Thank you. Not at all.
I'll have the rest of the video up on your car, and I'll have pictures up by Monday.
So not a problem. And I will be here tomorrow to give you the money for the shipping of my new Mercedes.
Okay, so goodbye 69. Hey, grind me a pound! You want a hamburger? He can grind us some hamburger. I like this car.
You could text me your mom's number. I don't have it, so I can contact her. You wanted me to contact her about when I could look at her car and stuff.
In the other one, these have blue lights.
Oh yeah, I saw that in the video.
Kind of cool.
Yeah.
How's it going?
All right, sir, how are you?
Pretty good. Long time no see.
Going on mine, I think it was over here at National City Port. I know where they went.
We're up there?
Los Angeles, right?
I was like, oh no!
They were laughing at me because I was, hey, see, we already taking cars over there to Martin Transport.
Oh.
That's right, man. So anyway, I'm okay.
Nice car.
I know.
I like these old cars.
I know. Okay.
Oh, just need to turn it out?
Yeah. I can do my check.
Nathan, we need to turn it around. I don't know. Yeah?
Pull in, back up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, shit. I'm on, man.
Huh?
I'm
You're old?
on already. I'm not retaining my mind.
How old are you? You're not old. How old?
68.
68? I think that's the same age as my dad.
Oh, really? How's everything going? Good?
Good. Getting rid of some junk. I like winter. It's nice. It's better. It's not hot.
Yeah, that's good. you want to pay over there, or you guys pay me, or what the?
Let me ask her what's going on.
Yes.
He says the guy in LA and Hollywood is hard to get a hold of, and he can't pick that up today. The guy said no.
Yeah?
The guy's busy.
Today?
Isn't it today when he was going to pick it up?
Yeah.
He'll tell you, but I guess he's talked to him and he's hard to get a hold of, and the guy's very busy. So he can't pick it up, he says. Which is fine if you don't have it. I mean, if he can get it later this week, talk to him, whatever he'll do. But I guess that guy's busy today. Maybe find out from whatever.
Okay.
All kinds of beautiful cars. Gunner's out here. Kirill's out here too. Who knows what's going on? They know what's going on. I don't right now. Whenever we need to go over time and all that kind of stuff like you were saying.
Yeah.
And when we do, we can figure out our...
Oh, yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that. This morning, I was like, hey, you buy
I walked out and it was on my porch. And we're glad I didn't...
Really?
Yeah.
You want to do it now?
Sure.
You get the honors.
No, you get the honors.
No, I don't know how that stuff works. I think you should do it. I've seen you at a casino. You're better luck than me.
I don't know about
Or maybe
that.
you just
I don't know about that. Let's uncover a diamond symbol in any one of the 5 bonus spots and win that prize instantly. Do we do them all, I guess? A coin. A cash. I haven't got a whole lot of thoughts that we're gonna... A piggy. Well, they gave us lots of chances. Okay.
So if there would have been a diamond there, we would have won something or what?
Whatever that would have said here.
Okay. Okay.
Winning numbers. So I think match any of your numbers to any of the 10 winning numbers and win that prize. Uncover a 2, 10, 5, 10, 50. I think in the end, basically, you just kind of scratch everything off anyways, right? We're close. We're close again. We got 41 and 42.
Yeah. 33.
We're gonna have to go buy another one of these. We got the fever.
Yeah. I'm in.
Great. We got Kirill here. We get him in.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the odds are if it's 1 in 2.45, if we buy 2 more cards, we'll win.
Oh, yeah. Awesome. We win like $10. We spend like 90 or something.
Wait, that's close.
19. Not this. Oh, man.
We're close on everything, though.
Man.
They're just fucking with us now.
Yeah, they are. They're like, nah, asshole.
This is all planned out.
Yeah.
Nothing.
So the last one. Last one.
No.
18, no. No, that was a good $30.
Uncover a...
Oh, there's a second chance on it. Oh.
Uncover a 50 symbol in the fast 50 spot, 150. 51. Uncover 100. 47. 97. Can uncover a cash when they'll match that price. Gift. Heart. Apple. Fuck, they're like coming up with stuff like now. Can of dog food. It's like anything but. Which I lift this up and I've scratched all the paint off the trunk. Dude, that's so much scratching to not win anything. But another way to win prizes, submit eligible non-winning scratches through the mobile app or at California Lottery for a second chance. They just want your fucking email.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, I found you the toy.
I was wondering where that came from. It's rather phallic.
I don't know why No, but we are. But it's just like going for 396. Now when we know that smart thing, make it so much easier. Of course, if they have airbag lights, it doesn't make a difference.
Yeah,